wait a minute. We have the session ideas. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. Yesterday we have discussed the unchecked, right?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Now we have one more thing. There are many other things. Control key down, shift key down, alt key down. Sometimes what will happen now, if you press control and if you click on something, then only actions will be triggered. Okay? Like if you are copying something, what will you do? You will press control, then you will click C, right? Hello? Hello? Yeah. So if you click control and if you press C, then it will consider as copy. If you press only C, it is a normal C character. Okay. So now we will see how to press these control keys, alt keys, shift keys through Selenium. Okay. So now what I am doing here is to explain this. Let me start the editor first. Sorry, I could not run anything then tell anything. So let me run it in the See here what I did was I am selecting entire text what I have in this code and I typed C. So if I just use key press native of event, if I give a character, then it will just type a there. But if I do key down native of control, then it will do copy for me. Okay? See what will happen. First, before doing the task, we should analyze the manual steps for you. So, when you are copying something, when you are selecting, have you ever used Control A? Control A, do you know what Control A will do?
Use it to select the entire text in the
Yeah. If you open any text file, if you open this one, so if I take and if I press Control A, it will select entire text file.
Yes.
So to do Control A, what will I do first? I will key down Control button, then I will press A. Simultaneously we will press, when we are doing manually, simultaneously we will press Control and A, but the thing is, first you will key down Control and then you will press Control A, then you will leave Control button. Okay? So first you should key Control, then you will press A button, then you will key up. Then select text will be selected. Okay. In copy also what you will key down Control, then you will press C, then it will be counted as Control plus C. If you just press C, it will be counted as click on key button. But if you key down Control and then it will be considered as copy action. Okay? Okay. So you should take care of that. Here I pressed Control button plus key down. Then I pressed here, right? So it will be considered as selecting a text. Then what I did, I pressed C there. That's why instead of enter text, if you enter this text, no, I will reload it. Okay, you selected entire text, right? Which is because here we pressed key down of Control button and we pressed A. That's why considered as copy action, and it copied the entire, selected the entire text. Okay. The problem for me to debug this program is wherever the cursor, it will enter there. When we were running the program, the focus is on this browser, right? That's why it performed control over for this one. Okay. If I run this code now, key press native in debug mode, the C will be printed here. C, it printed C here, right? Yes. Because wherever the cursor it will print there. That's why it's very difficult to debug these things. So whenever you are executing this action, no, the mouse, the cursor should be on the browser only. Okay. So it's very difficult to show it in debug mode. That's why I'm running it as a program. Okay. If I entirely run the program, the C will be printed here. Instead of the selected text, C will be printed. Okay. We have seen it already, right? So in this class we have to learn this API, selenium key down native. Okay, let me write. There are two APIs for this. To key down control button, you can rely on control key down API, or you can use key down native, selenium key down native. At the button you can provide string dot value of key event, and here all the keys will be there. Okay, you can use the keys. Like if you want to press F2, F1, F10, like that you can choose from here. All the keys will be here. So the API for this is selenium key down native, and you should provide, you will accept string type method. That's why you will pass this key event to string dot value. Okay. String dot value of key event, you can choose anything. Key dot first, key last, VK0. VK0 means 0 key will be entered. 0 numeric value will be entered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can choose alt button. Anything based on your need you can choose. So to key down control we will choose control. If you want to key down shift you can choose shift. Okay. There are two options available for you. Sometimes in some browsers, in IE control key down will work. In Chrome, Firefox and all, key down native will work. So you need to write browser specific code. So remember these two APIs. Okay. Control key down and key down native also you should remember. So there are three APIs totally. Control key down, control F is there. In control key down, two APIs are there, right? So you can use key down key up. If you want to key press, that means you simultaneously perform down and up. That will be considered as press. Pressing a character is nothing but you are down that character, you are up that character, right?
Yes.
So if you want to perform press using control key down and control key up, you should call them one by one. First you need to call control key down, then you should call control key up. Then it will be considered as press. But if you want to do only control key down, you should do control key down. Then you need to perform like press A or C. Then it will be considered as control press A. Then you need to do control key up. Okay.
Okay.
Is it confusing for you, or are you getting what I am trying to say?
No, it's clear. I'm fine.
Yeah,
I'm trying to remember what you are saying.
Yeah. You can do the same way with key down native APIs also, but in key down native API, key press native is also there. So if you want to do only key down, you can use key down. If you want to do only key up, you can use key up. If you want to do key press, you can use key press native. Okay. Note down these two APIs for you. This syntax is important for you. Selenium down key down native string dot value of this key event down VK control. So write it somewhere. Based on your key, you can replace this VK control with any character, any key. VK underscore. If you want to do control, you can use control. If you want to do shift, you can do shift. If you want to do F2, you can choose here. So VK underscore F1 F10 you can choose, or VK underscore if you want to key down any character you can use like this, VK underscore BC, everything will be there. If you want to enter backslash you can use backslash, barcode, backspace, everything is there. Okay. The same thing will happen in case of shift also. So to prove shift, what I am trying to do is, if you click shift button now, capital character will be entered, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, small character will be entered. So let me run this program without shift key down and key up, and with shift key down and key up. First I am running without shift key down and shift key up. See, entered here, right? But small loop.
Okay.
As there is no shift key down and shift key up. Let me run the same program again. By doing key down native key up. So if you see here, we entered capital here, right? Entered because we perform shift key down and shift key up. And I will show you one trick also here. In our programming, sometimes we will do few mistakes. We will do key down and we will do key up. We will do key press and we will forget to do key up. Okay? I will tell you, I will show you what kind of issues you will face if you forget to do key up.
Okay.
Okay, now I am here, right? So I am opening text pad. I didn't click on shift button. But when I was typing, all the text is entered as capital letters, sir. So that shift key down is registered for your laptop, for your machine. The shift key down will be registered. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't do shift key up, it will act as shift key down. Even you don't do it manually.
Okay.
If you want to escape, then you need to press your shift button manually. Then that shift key down will be unregistered and you can continue with your actions. Okay.
Okay.
Good to do shift key up in your program itself. Try it once in your machine. Just try Selenium not shift, Selenium not key down native. Give the key as shift button and press key press native and comment with key up native. Then only after doing that, type some text in text pad without pressing shift button. All the text will be entered as capital letters because the shift key down is registered in your laptop itself. So to overcome that, either you need to call key up native API in your program or you need to press your shift button once manually.
Okay.
But always it's good to keep key up native. Whenever you are doing key down, it should be followed by key up. That's the good point in program. So we almost covered have frequent used API in Selenium RCs for the.
Okay.
So there are other API also. If you learn this API, it's enough for you to begin with the Selenium RC programming. Okay.
Okay.
You can automate 90% of the test cases using this API. Yeah. You might need remaining API for fixing the issues. Some random issues will come when you are developing some frameworks on top of Selenium. So based on your requirement, you can explore on it. It's really difficult to explain each and every API to you. That's why I'm giving you API. Okay.
Okay.
When you begin with these things, so you can explain on it in later part. Okay. So now what will we do? We will try to. You said right, you don't have enough time to spend to automate signing part of Gmail, right?
Yes.
Yeah, in this class itself we will try to do. First you start with that, I will help you. Okay, we will try to finish the task first, then only we will continue with Selenium web driver. Okay.
Okay.
I will make a facilitator, we will do that now. If you are not able to finish today, we will continue in tomorrow class also. But after finishing the task time, we continue with that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you press Ella? No problem. Minimize it. Yeah. Can you give control to me?
Sure.
And keyboard. Yeah. Yeah. Then. Let me open it. So let me copy the code from here because till here is yes. Oh, copy. Okay, nice. So I pinged you in your YouTube meeting. The URL also in. Can you check this? GoTo meeting chat I think.
Yeah. This is the one, right? Create your Google account.
Did you notice?
Yes.
Can you copy that for me?
You are going to copy the URL?
Yeah. No, not this URL. In GoTo meeting, I pinged you the sign in Gmail account URL. Can you open your GoTo meeting chat? Not
Yeah.
you copied it?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. That's, oh, that's good. So we will open the okay. We will write code in debugger. Okay. Okay, let me go to a debugger here. Okay. Debugger. Otherwise we will do one thing. First, let me open this in the browser. So I open the page. Okay, press open. This is inspect element. So you click on it. Then you can choose any element. So first we enter some text in first name field, right? You will go here. Yeah. So what is the priority for us? First we need to look for what in identifiers?
ID.
ID, right? ID, right?
Yes.
What is the ID here?
First name.
Yeah, first name. So go to Eclipse now. So to type the what is
Set type ID equal to.
no, which API you should use? Selenium dot, which API you will use to type some text?
Selenium dot type.
Dot type. Yeah, dot type. So first, as the first parameter you have to give the locator, right?
Yeah.
ID equal to what we are saying there? ID equal to
First name.
ID equal to first name. First name. Your first name is Y. Okay. Next, you need to type sorry, last name right. Okay, let me check the identifier.
Your last name.
So again you will disinfected, go here and you will
ID for last name.
what is ID? Last name, right?
Yes.
So copy this. Copy this. Here you will place
ID equal to last name.
ID equal to last. Yeah. Now we will first page. Now you should fill something in user. So here also address is there. If you have address, you don't have any problem. So again, we will use. So in most of the cases, we will use type fix. These are the two most frequently used API. If you know type fix, you can finish most of your work. But identifying is important. Here we have identified, so there is no need of using the operators. S will be S now after typing that, I have to do
Password.
take some password.
ID equal to password.
Password. So we'll try to get it by name because we are testing it, right? So we don't want to continue with the same identifier again and again.
Okay.
Not type equal to name equal to password and some password. My password is password.
Okay.
So he asked me to confirm it, right? So I need to get the idea is confirm password field. So its ID is password ID. So here also I am delaying the name equal to password ID. So that's good. So this is what we have a select box, right?
Yes.
You go here now you will go. So there is no ID, there is no name, right?
Yes.
Can you explain it for me if you mouse over on it somewhere that my God. Yeah, thanks. So you have This is not a select box, this is select the index. Is it right?
Yes.
Here we have one. First you need to choose this element. Here you need to click. So it contains a class name of class name button drop down.
Yes.
But if others also contain the same class name, you will be in trouble. So this also has same class name, right? So based on this you can't find. So in such cases, you relay like this. So I told you about DOM, right?
Yes.
So you can maintain a child. This is, you can find this element by depending on the text in one. Okay, and this is the sibling, next sibling.
Okay.
So you can get like this. So see, that is my current element, right? The -0 dot next element sibling. So this written me that, right? So I will write a dot pointer there. So this is a div whose text is month, right?
Yeah.
So let me write a expert. You can't write expert. Use the expert. No. Then you can't use. Okay. To get next element. So there is an expression with follow, right? So you can Google like this. So now in expert you need to find the next sibling. So how to find next sibling in expert. So based on the requirement only we should Google it and we can find the things from Google. We will type as element.
So here they are telling following sibling data node that you should use. Okay, let me go to this again. Selenium dot. So these kind of problems get in real time. So I ask you to do this exercise. You have to then do it in extra equal to hashtag whose text is equal to whose text. You should not be directed. Whose text is equal to first following sibling means next sibling will come. So these are the notations. We will call. So you are here, right?
Yes.
So next one is called sibling. Sibling means like our English. What do you call? Rather than this. Okay. This is called parent. Okay. And if you have something encoded, that is called child. Okay. This month, this is child to the top bit. Okay. Okay. The top bit is parent to the child, parent to the month bit. Okay. And these two are siblings. Okay. So based on that you can search. So if you are not able to write locator for an element, you can write identifier for the parent or sibling or child, and based on that you can form a link to get the parent, to get the child, you can form a link. Okay. Okay. So here I am finding it based on this whose text equal to none, and I am switching its sibling based on the notation. I can give it as a notation, expert notation. Okay. Let me try again with that format. Let me try to. So I'm having my class to the guy drop it. Oh. Did we start the Selenium circle?
No, I started just now.
You stopped it?
No, I started.
Then why is it calling connection issues? Yeah. Then there is. There is no command prompt Swati. Can you check? Unintentionally you stopped it, I guess.
Okay, let me start now.
Yeah, it started now. Hold on. In my list. Earlier when you tried to you start. Yeah, now it's open. entered, but not given, but asked to perform this test. It found this element. If it didn't find now, it will definitely throw an error. So in such cases, we can follow something. I will tell you. We need to observe the behavior when we can. So now so if I select a what is happening, so I select the month. See, here there is an input with the type hidden and whose value is 3. Okay?
Okay.
So let me change it to March, then it will be changed as 5, I guess.
Yes.
See, it's changing, right? So instead of taking strain in clicking the select box and choosing the value, you can simplify the step to give a value to this element. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, 1 minute. So we can write some simple script, and after firing that, without selecting the select box or without clicking on the select box also, you can choose the value. Okay?
Okay.
So let me get the idea of this. That's why we will use selenium.getAvalue here. I told you, right? Selenium.getAvalue 180. So instead of clicking it and selecting it, selenium.getAvalue, and you need to write some script. So document.getElementID, that value should cover, but prior to that, as I explained earlier, you should put selenium dot browser but dot get current window dot document of getElement by ID. Within Bartman equal to 0, 5. Then it will be selected as March. Let me try it now. Debug as Java.
Open.
Okay, we'll have a look at the process. It's already on there. So, I will explain it to you. Okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we'll do this exercise in next class and we'll continue. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, thank you.